What is up, F It Outdoors? So it's been kind of a little crazy of a morning. I was going to go to that one public conservatory that me and my brother and his wife went to a couple weeks ago. And I showed up down there first thing this morning, and there were so many people there that there was no room to park. Which, you've got to expect that when you're fishing public places. So I had to run over here to my brother-in-law's and get some mail, and I figured while I was here I'd just go ahead and throw my kayak in his pond and see if I can't fish some of that stuff over there that you can't get to from the bank, and see if we can't hook into a toad this morning. So I got the old kayak, got a crank jig, booyah frog, Seaman chatterbait, the black one, and a wacky rig, a couple monsters and a sweet tea, and we get out here on the water and see if we can catch us some fish. So stick with me, here we go. All right, it's gonna be nothing but the GoPro chesty from here on out. I'm just gonna be the first one to tell you guys that it is already hotter than shit. I'm burning up already. I'm trying out the old the long sleeve dry fit, cold or hot weather. Fish on. I tell you what, that black chatterbait is something else. Got him. There he is. That ain't a little one. Stay pinned. Nice. There you go. Number 4. That's 6. There he is. An old wacky bass. The little fucker's throwing down, dude. God damn. Alrighty, we just got off the water. It is about 97 degrees. It's about 11 o'clock and I just can't take the heat anymore. I think we caught 7 or 8 fish. All of them on the chatterbait except for one. I got one on the wacky. I'm going to talk about the chatterbait that I used today. It's the same setup I used the other day. So I'm going to flip this camera around here. So that's the Lews Speed Spool Mark Rose edition. It's 7-1-1. I've got 20-pound Seagur fluorocarbon. That is the Bionics blade micro, 6.5 foot, medium, heavy, fast. So the chatterbait I used today is a little different than the one I used the other day. Reason is I lost that one. I lost that one to air. I fished a lake yesterday. It had an aerator in it, and I got hung up on the line and broke off. So what I did was I went to Walmart and bought a green pumpkin chatterbait that had a black head, and then I bought a black and blue skirt Lucky Strike scrounger, because I don't use skirts on my scroungers. And I bought the one that was black and blue, and it was the one that most looked like the skirt that I had on that midnight chatterbait. And then I paired it up with that's not the Biospawn, that's the Rage version, Rage Swimmer. So just a little tip, you know, don't be afraid to customize your stuff. You know, if you're using something for a while and you know it works and you can't find that anywhere, but you can find a couple things that are close that you can pair some things up. I mean, you can swap skirts out on anything. And that's all I did, was I bought a skirt that